No, the injury is alright. It's not been that long ago, but anyway, I already did 2 weekends in World Superbike and felt okay. Of course, it's not ideal, but you know, I couldn't miss this event, so I had to do everything to be ready for the 8 hour. Yeah, I felt okay. It was good to be back, and of course difficult because I didn't do any testing. But anyway, for me it was just to ride a bike and get a feeling with the bike and tires. And of course you don't have a lot of tires for testing. So, but anyway, I felt happy the first stint. Felt good. I was quite fast, and of course you all want to go faster, but the first day was okay.
Yeah, of course. In World Superbike we were teammates, but obviously we were trying to beat each other. But I spoke with Michael after his crash, and well, before I spoke with Michael, I spoke with his girlfriend, and the first thing she said is he wants to be. The first thing he said in the hospital, he wants to be ready for Suzuka. So this was really nice. Obviously, the most important thing is that he's okay, and he's been strong already in World Superbike, so I'm sure he's going to be fine for the race. Yesterday he was already really fast, so this is the main thing.
いやもちろんさ彼らのレースが今年開幕からずっと気にして見てますし、レースねフリーから見てて、まさかねああいう転倒の仕方するとは思ってなくて見てたんで、思わず大声出しちゃってでこけ方もね結構激しかったんで、心配してたんですけど、すぐねメールなんかも飛び交って、なんとか鈴鹿8耐にはなんとか間に合うっていうか、本人もそういう言葉を言ってたっていうのは聞いてたんで、そういった意味でも戻ってくることを信じてたし、実際こうやってねウィーク入って、3人揃って、非常にやっぱり3人でいることで自分も落ち着けますし、いいスタートを切れたと思ってますけどね。いややっぱりそうですね、この2人3人揃って、この連覇を成し遂げてきましたし、このチームを組むので3年目、このライダーで組むのは3年目ということで、非常に本当にもちろんライバルでもありますけども、お互いがお互いをしっかりリスペクトし合えて尊重し合ってこれてるんで、そういった意味では、レーシングライダーなんですけども、一つの一緒のレースを戦う友としてっていう気持ちは非常に強いですけどね。
Yeah, of course. I've seen many pictures from the past, and I really like the colours, and I'm proud to be here representing these colours and Yamaha again.
Yeah, of course, it's something special. So we see the history of the 8 hour. There's always been special bikes and everything. So I've seen everything, and then I knew this one, and yeah, it's cool to have something special again this year. And I must say, when you see the complete package with the riders and the bike, it's looking really good.
Yeah. Was that your idea?
Yeah, he's a rider that obviously is a famous rider, a rider that I always liked when I was younger. So yeah, it's nice to be able to do something to represent him.
Personally?
Not personally, no.
そうですね、そこを目標に設定してないともちろん勝利はないと思いますし、実際218達成して219はいけたんで、もし、マージンを持って218だったんで、そういった意味では一周でも多く目指さないと、どんどん年々、各ワークチームもそうですし各メーカーもどんどん力を上げてきてるんで、そういった意味ではそこを目標に設定を置いて、それに向かってチーム一丸となってやるっていうことが、一番の近道だと思ってるんで、そういった意味でも220周可能かどうかは、いろんな状況もありますし分かんないですけど、とにかくそこを目指していくだけですけどね。
結構やっぱハードなこと、それにトライする。
だから1秒もミスは許されないですよね。ピット作業もそうですし、そこが全部重なってそこの220周っていうのが達成できると思ってるんで、そういった意味でもチームスタッフも緊張感を持ってやってますし、集中してやっていきたいなとは思ってますけどね。
Yeah, I prefer to do as little laps as possible,
So
as long as it's more than anybody else.
when was it? 2014. It was only Suzuka 7 hours, and we won it. It was enough.
Yeah, he won the least amount of laps, I think.
so, yeah.
The only important thing is that we do more laps than everybody else. Hit the most laps. Many things have no safety cars, good condition. All these things we cannot control. So there's so many things that we can control. We have to focus on these and do the best race we can. Good question.
去年勝ったもんね。
Why not? Why not?
去年は勝ちました。
Why not?
Why not?
Why not?
No, the feeling is the same because we want to win the race again. And what's happened in the past, it's you don't think about that now. You just think about this event. But I think we are more relaxed. It's a race that I know me and Michael we really enjoy to come here, spend some time with Nakasuga-san, and we can race together rather than fighting for 1 week. So this is nice. And yeah, I enjoy the whole experience, and I'm looking forward to this race. I feel a lot of motivation, and I want to try to win again. But we keep coming back here to ride with Nakasuga-san. We ask many times for him to help us on the World Superbike, but he never come test with us. So this is problem.
He doesn't love us.
He does not love us. We love him, but he doesn't love us back.
片思いです。
まあそうですね、本当にまあここに、この3人でね揃って一緒に走れるのを楽しみにしてましたし、またその年としてまあ、やるべきことはね毎年一緒とにかくその勝ちを目指して3人力を合わせてチームスタッフ力を合わせてやってるんで、それをしっかりまた今年もやってまた表彰台の真ん中に立てるようにね今週末しっかりそうやってできるように力を合わせてやっていきたいなというふうに思ってますけど、気持ちは一緒です。
All of our team and staff work together. Everybody's on the same page, so we're going to work to be on the top step of the podium this weekend.
ついていきますって感じで。
ありがとうございました。